Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be testing out this eyeshadow palette by Nomad Cosmetics. It is the Polar Express palette. I'm so excited. When I saw this palette and I saw the details of it, I knew I had to have it. It is so gorgeous. I am just unboxing it here, and then I'm going to show you a close-up of the color layout. And like I said, the details is what drew me to this palette. It is so stunning. So we're going to be doing a really fun look today. Just keep on watching. I'm starting off with this matte white shade called Snowy Mountain and putting that all over my lid to set my concealer. I put concealer all over the lid, so this is just going to help mattify that. I knew I wanted to do a blue eyeshadow look as soon as I saw this palette, so we're going straight in with the North Pole shade, this matte blue. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to be putting that in the crease and just building that up. Also, sorry, not sure what I had going on here with the zooming, but I'm taking this matte blue North Pole shade and putting that in the crease. Here's what we got so far. Definitely really intense shadows, not a lot of building up needed, which I love. We're taking this Desert of Ice shade, which is just a tad bit deeper, so it's going to help add some dimension. And I'm taking this on a more tapered brush and focusing it on the center of my crease. And we're just doing windshield wiper motions here. And like I said, it's just going to help add some dimension. So here you can see the difference. One eye has it, one doesn't. Now I'm taking this navy blue shade. I think it's called Northern Sea. And I'm taking it on an angled brush and focusing it on the outer corner and really just emphasizing that outer V. I definitely feel like it went on better on this eye. I feel like that always happens. There's always one eye I favor more than the other, but what are you going to do? This is what we're working with so far. And this next part, I just wanted to show you this center Polar Express shade. It's so stunning. And it's hard to see just by looking at it, but it has these reflex in it that's like a purpley blue. Oh my gosh, they just did such a good job with these shades and the attention to detail in this palette. So I just wanted to quickly show you this. I'm not using it, but I cannot wait to create a look with that. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at ACC Beauty because I'll post all the looks I do using this palette. Okay, so we are just cutting the crease here. I say cutting the crease, but just know it's like not a professional version. I just do like a half cut crease is typically what I do, but just carving out the center of the lid so that the shadow I put over top really is going to pop and be more intense. Up next, I'm taking that matte white Snowy Mountain shade that I used in the very beginning, and I'm packing that on over top where I put the concealer or carved out the lid. And I'm so happy that I decided to do that because it really did help make the shadow more intense and really pop. Now I'm going back and blending the shadows that I put in the crease, those initial blue shadows that I use, just because naturally those tend to get lost, throughout the process. So I'm just going back and blending everything. Blending really is the key to a matte cut crease. You just got to go back and blend, make sure it's seamless. Now I'm taking this All Aboard shade, which is this really gorgeous, like iridescent white. And I'm using that as a brow bone highlight, which I don't always do this anymore. And I feel like it really makes such a difference. So I'm also putting that in the inner corner just to really help the shadows pop and, really make it look kind of like icy. All right, y'all, and that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It definitely was my vision when I first saw this palette, so I'm really happy with it. I'm also so excited for all of the future looks that I can create with this palette, so make sure you're following me on Instagram at ACZ Beauty. I'll be sure to post all of my future looks using this palette and other palettes that I review over on there. So yeah, I hope you have an amazing holiday season. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.